Hi, I'm Doug DeGroot in the Computer Science Department at UT Dallas. I'm here with my partners, Gopal Gupta and Lakshman Tamil. We are the three principal investigators in the proposal to set up a Center for Applied AI and Machine Learning at the new Richardson Innovation Quarter. We're very happy to have been selected and we're looking forward to participating. I'll let Gopal and Lakshman say a word.
So I'm Gopal Gupta and I'm professor of computer science. My research is focused on AI and computational logic and machine learning, especially the explainable AI aspect. And we have a bunch of projects that revolve around those specialties.
I'm Lakshman Tamil. I'm professor of electrical and computer engineering. My expertise is in the field of applied machine learning, particularly applying machine learning and AI algorithms to healthcare. I'm extremely happy to be a part of this.
Our goal in our Center for Applied AI and Machine Learning is to be an industry-facing research group. We want to work with companies on their problems as opposed to do pie-in-the-sky or ivory tower research. We're interested in doing research for significantly important business problems and business applications with our customers. So far, we've had fairly good success, and we've worked on 4 different major application developments with our partners.
And these 4 projects have been with external companies. One of them relates to predicting electricity prices based on various scenarios, based on demand. Also another project on explainable AI, where we want to take a machine learned model and discover the underlying logic, the logic that underlies the machine learning model. And this technology essentially has been commercialized with this company, and in fact, they're going to sell it to their customers in turn. We also are engaged in running short courses, teaching AI and machine learning to companies. So we do a whole lot of things, and we can be thought of as a research center for those companies that do not have a their own internal research center.
And that reminds me, we are looking for long-term relationships, not just pot-shot application problems. So we would like to be considered a research partner with our clients and customers.
So we look forward to being in the IQ, because that way we hope that we can engage with a larger set of companies, because we understand the IQ will be the hub where a lot of startups and established companies will be located. And so we feel that we'll be able to put out our technology to these companies and help them solve their problems.
So this is the era of machine learning and artificial intelligence. And working with the local companies, we want to enhance the economy of the DFW area.
Right. And we are, of course, interested in working with startups, but we're also vastly more interested, I would say, in working with established companies who have startup business problems. So companies that are doing intrapreneuring as well as entrepreneuring. So we're also in the process now of joining the National Institute of Health's AIM Ahead medical problem, equity in access to medical technologies. And my colleague here, Professor Lakshman, has extensive experience in healthcare and telehealth, medical imaging.
The success of AI is going to lie in its ability to be unbiased, unable to serve all sections of the society. So the unbiased AI is very key to the success of the society as well as the success of the field. We have done quite a bit of research in this area, and we want to extend this into areas of healthcare. And that is the reason we are working with our collaborators in AIM Ahead, in building machine learning and AI algorithms that is unbiased of all ethnic races.
So we do have tools that help in figuring out if a machine learned model is fair and unbiased. And those are some of the technologies that we want to put out to companies as well as this AIM Ahead Center so that we can make sure that AI can be used for the benefit of everyone.
I think an important aspect of what we do is that we work on AI technologies that are able to explain themselves, unlike neural network models, which fundamentally are large, complex, nonlinear black boxes that can't be looked inside to explore what they do or why they do it. With our approach and with Professor Gupta's tools, we can go in and deeply um, examine the logic that is being used in the AI model to explain its decisions, to explain its choices. And then, if there is any bias in the data or in the previous models, we can explain those to a very fine detail to allow the users to go back and debias their system or their data. It's a one of a kind system, and it is probably the world's leading explainable AI and bias detection software.
So if you're interested, then please contact us. We'd be very happy to work with you.